Hey, it's Kip here. Thanks for tuning in today. I'm real excited about this video. It's official. I'm a member of the Pit Barrel family, guys, and I'm real excited about it. I got my first pit barrel here, and we're going to be doing my first cook on it today. We're going to be doing some baby back ribs. I'm going to show you how to set it up, how to get it lit, what the recommendations are, at least at sea level. That's where I'm at. And we're going to get it lit up. We're going to cook some baby back ribs and get her going. It's going to be exciting. I can't wait to taste them. But I want to talk a little bit about the company itself. They were established in 2010. They support men and women in uniform. They are veteran owned and family ran. They're a great group of people, and I can't say enough about how nice they are and stuff. So I'm going to put all our links below for all your accessories. And if you want to get yourself a pit barrel, I'll put all that right below here, guys. With no further ado, let's get the chimney loaded up, get it fired up, and get the briquettes lit up, and we'll be hanging some ribs. So let's get started. As you can see, the briquettes are in there. I got my chimney going here, about 10-12 minutes. And I took enough out just to get my chimney filled. Now I'm going to try to pour these right dead center here, and we'll get her going here, guys. There we go. Man, that looks good. Yeah, those are going really good. Let's get the re-rod through. That way when I get ready to hang them ribs, we'll be all set to go. Let's get the lid on it. Let's get them ribs prepped out and get them hung. Alright guys, today we'll be using the Pit Barrel all-purpose pit rub on our ribs. We've got some baby back ribs here. I already took the skin off the back, prepped them up really nice. We're going to put a generous amount on here. Alright, let's get a couple bones down. I would say second or third bone down. Drive it right on through. That'll give us something good to hang on to there. Alright, let's get these hung up in the Pit Barrel cooker. We'll check them about every hour. I'm thinking about 2.5 hours. Maybe we'll sauce them up. Within 3 hours or so, these should be done. So let's get them hung. Man, these are going to be so good. Let's get them covered up. We'll come back in about an hour and check them out. Alright, I want to talk a little bit more about the Pit Barrel cooker that I have. This is a classic model. This is a 30-gallon model. They also make a Pit Barrel Junior, which is a 16-gallon model, depending on what size footprint you want. You know, if you got a small patio, you might want to go with the Junior. You know, if you're just doing small cuts of meat, I mean, the Junior will hold a lot of meat. It'll do, you know, plenty of racks of ribs for a family. I wanted to go with the Classic. It's a lot bigger unit. And I know guys that are going up to 12 slabs of ribs in their Pit Barrel Classic. And I just wanted to go with that. I just want to talk about the enamel porcelain on this thing. Is beautiful, very well done. Should last for years and years to come. Also talk about the directions it comes with. It tells you how to set it up. The main thing is your bottom vent, your main vent on this. I'm at sea level or just above, so it recommends me go about 1/4 of the inch or 1/4 of the way open, and that's what I did here. And I'm in my second hour of cooking. I'm my first cook here, and I did probe the inside the where the re-rod go through, and I'm running about 275, 280, so I'm real happy with that. We're gonna pull the lid open on this here shortly, but it comes with a stand. I mean, it comes with everything you need to basically get started. 8 stainless steel hooks to hang your ribs. It's also got a grate, you know, for doing burgers and meats and that kind of thing. But they offer a lot of accessories that you can get. Like in the beginning of the video, I'll have the link right to pitbarrel.com, and you can go right to their website and check out all their accessories they have. I'm gonna get kind of creative, maybe come up with my own accessories, build a couple things on my own, and but it comes with everything you need to get started. I think I'm going to get some more stainless steel hooks so I can do more ribs. I can do up to 8. But if I have a, you know, a party or something like that, if I want to take this somewhere, that's the beauty of these pit barrels. I mean, you can easily pick them up, take them to a buddy's house, set them up for a football game or something. You know, make some ribs, whatever kind of meats you want. Simple. I mean, so far I'm 2 hours in. This thing's running 275, 280. Real happy with it. And I'm very happy with the versatility, the simplicity of this unit so far. Let's pop it open. We're 2 hours in, and we're going to take a look at it here. Man, look at that. We're 2 hours in. You can see the bones are starting to give way a little bit. These are looking very good. Man, they are looking really good, guys. I wish you could smell this. We're going to get the lid back on them. Let's come back in about another 45 minutes or so. We'll check them again, and then we'll probably sauce them up and get them back in there and finish them out. Ooh, yeah. We're about 2:45 in. I'm gonna pull these off, sauce them up, and put them right back on. Man, these are looking good. Oh, look at that. I want to put a little sauce on them just to finish them off. All right, guys, it's been about 3 hours. These are looking beautiful. Man, look at that. Man, that's looking good. Wow. Telling you what, guys, the simplicity of this pit barrel cooker is unbelievable. Just unbelievable, guys. Man, let's pull these off. Wow. Wish you guys were here to smell this. Man, look at that. Whoa. Man, these are just unbelievable. Look at that. Wow. I'm impressed. I'm impressed, guys. Let's flip it right over so I can see these bones here. Man, look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, man. I'm telling you what, guys. Look at that. Look at the juices in there. Oh my gosh. Wow. Man. These are so good. Man, those are so delicious. Well, anyways, guys, thanks for watching. It's been a windy day, so I've been trying to get this video done and trying to keep my mic as clear as possible, so I apologize for that. I'm gonna tell you what, guys, this pit barrel cooker is simple to use. I recommend, if you don't have one, you better get yourself one, because the simplicity of it, the versatility of it is unbelievable, guys. I mean, I checked it every hour. I've had these ribs in for about 3 hours and 15 minutes or so. I've been spot checking it. It's been running about 275, 280-ish. The way I got my vent set up. Real simple to do, guys. I'm gonna tell you what, I can't wait to cook other meats on this and share them with you, the videos and that I have coming up with this particular pit barrel. A lot more other barbecue videos coming your way, and a lot more other videos coming your way. I'm gonna tell you what, guys, I'll put the links below to go check out Pit Barrel. They got a lot of accessories. I mean, the sky's the limit with this thing. I've got some ideas I'm gonna be doing with some of my do-it-yourself projects, some of the systems I'm gonna make for this to do other cooks with it, and I'll be bringing it to you guys real shortly. So anyways, guys, if you're not a subscriber of mine, please like, share, and subscribe. That would be great. Otherwise, thanks for watching. You guys have a great day, and that's right, I'm gonna go make me a plate. I'm gonna go knock one of these ribs in half because I'm hungry.